Hi friends, welcome to a brand new vlog of Judo's Dhamaka. This is the host and those Judo.
I have watched the movie Batwara 1947, directed by Rajkumar Santoshi. It stars Sunny Deol, Shabana Azmi, Preeti Zinta, Abhimanyu Singh, Karan Deol, and others. And the movie is produced by Amir Khan. Actually, it's based on the famous play Jis Lahore Nahi Vekhya, Wo Jamiai Nahi, written by Asghar Wajahat. The movie tells the story of Sikandar Mirza, who shortly after the partition and the independence of India, they were cheering for the motherland India, but due to the riot, they had to leave India and settle in Lahore. वहां पर उनको एक घर मिला, पर घर में जाकर उन्होंने देखा कि वहां पर कोई है। वो घर का जो ओनर रतन लाल, उनकी माताजी अभी भी वहां तक है। शी इज वेटिंग फॉर हर फैमिली। पर पहले कुछ नाराजगी और कुछ कश्मकश के बाद सिकंदर मिर्जा's heart changes and he starts to love this lady as his own mother. पर दुश्मन तो हर जगह है, जैसे कि याकूब पहलवान यानी कि अभिमन्यु सिंह। Talking about performances, Sunny is as usual fantastic and mind-blowing. His performance touches the deep core of the soul. Actually, उनकी एक्टिंग देखकर कभी नहीं लगा that he is acting. It's so real. When he is using his 2.5 kilo का हाथ against the goons, you will feel like rejoicing. And when he's crying, आपको भी रोना आ जाएगा. Now talking about Shabana Azmi. As usual, she has again nailed it as the Mai, as the old lady. She has performed so well. It's such an emotional character. As a mother of the family, she's waiting for her son to return. But evil is lurking in the sky. और वो नहीं चाहते कि माई वहां पर रहे। वो चाहते हैं कि वो इंडिया चले जाए, जहां पर उनका कोई रिश्तेदार नहीं है। सिकंदर मिर्जा इज जस्ट लाइक हर सन। और जब रिश्ता मजबूत हो गया, सिकंदर मिर्जा कैन डू एनीथिंग टू प्रोटेक्ट हिज मदर। कैन ही प्रोटेक्ट हर? For that, you have to watch this movie. This movie has a strong message. Above all religion, there is the religion of motherhood, and no one can deny it. In the mother's heart, there's no difference between religion, caste, creed, etc. Mother is above all. This is the message of this movie, and that has been executed strongly. Rajkumar Santoshi, after many years, has given a strong movie. Now, the box office performance of this movie is not as expected. But still, this movie, I really liked it. Ali Fazal plays a small but important role in this movie. Karan Deol and Khushi Hazare play the role of Sikandar Mirza's children. Preeti Zinta is back after 8 long years. She has performed well, especially in emotional scenes. वो जो बंटवारे की आग जो आज भी जल रही है कहीं ना कहीं, that has been shown in quite a realistic manner. The horror of partition. The music of this movie is composed by A.R. Rahman and penned by Javed Akhtar. The song कहाँ चले गए हो राम is especially significant. The DOP of this movie is Santosh Sivan and the editor is Shyam Salgaonkar. In recent times, when in many movies we only watch mindless action and bloodshedding, such type of movies are needed. Abhimanyu Singh as Yakub Pehlwan has performed well. So this was my take on the movie Batwara 1947. Hope you have liked it.
Then do like, share, subscribe my channel and also like and follow my Facebook page Judo's Dhamaka.
Hasta la vista, Judos Dhamaka. Let's do the Dhamaka.